How to use Grok 3 AI. To use Grok 3 AI, you first of all want to open up any web browser. Now, on the search bar, you want to search for Grok 3 and press enter. Out of the search results, you want to scroll down and find the one which says Grok. Go ahead and click on this. On this page, you want to click on the Try Now option. Now, it will take you to this interface. Here on this box, you have a drop down. If you click on this drop down, you will have Grok 2, Grok 3 and enable search options. Go ahead and click on the Grok 3 option. Now you can access and use the new AI from Elon Musk xAI Grok 3. You can enter any prompts over here. For example, I'm going to enter a couple of prompts here. In the same way, you can follow these steps and use Grok 3 for various applications from answering questions to generating creative content. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.